understanding the behavior and the cognitive mind of children is what child psychology focuses on. Now, the time span that it covers is prenatal all the way through adolescence, right? Now, we divide that into five basic stages. So that would be newborn, infant, toddler, preschool, and school age, right? Then, who is a child psychologist? This is a mental health professional who focuses their energy and focuses their assessments, their evaluations, and focuses in trying to find ways to help children better cope with life, right? So, all the problems that children may face, the child psychologist would be the one who is best equipped to ensure that children are more adjusted to their environment, right? Now, the things that they may face, children may face is, relationship issues, mental health conditions, societal problems, educational issues, etc., right? And a child psychologist would be the one who would try to get into understanding these issues, right?